The new March Pixel feature drop update is here, and this is what's new on the Pixel 4. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the new March Pixel feature drop update for the Pixel 4. So let's get right into the first feature that dropped is the new play and pause gesture for the Pixel 4 Motion Sense. So not only can we skip forward and backward in music tracks, now we have the power to play and pause music tracks. This should have been released on day 1, but better late than never. And it's pretty simple to use, but from my experience, it has like a 98% success rate. Now, crash detection has rolled out for the Pixel 4 in Australia and in the UK. This feature in the States we had on day 1, and now Australia and UK have it. For those that don't know this app, when enabled, this detects a car crash with the sensors on your smartphone. It will go off with an alarm and ask you if you've been in an accident. If you don't respond to your Pixel, it will then continue to dial 911 and alert them of your locations by using your smartphone's GPS location, and that you have been in an accident and need medical attention. Newly added AR effects have been added to Dual when making a video call or when you want to send a video message. The Pixel 4 front-facing selfie camera portrait blur has been improved, so I don't know if you can tell the difference, but one thing for sure, it looks good. 169 new emojis were added to the keyboard. Here's a quick view of the emojis. I'm not gonna go one by one, and I don't know which ones have been newly added. You just have to go into the keyboard and manually search and see which ones you think are new, but that's a lot of new emojis. 169 new emojis. That is insane. Now, scheduled dark theme mode has been added, including sunset/sunrise triggers. So basically what this does is in daytime your phone is in light mode, and when it goes to sunset, it goes to dark, it turns into dark mode. In order to do this, you simply go to the dark theme quick toggle settings there, long press, and you can go ahead and schedule your dark theme there. Now, a new animation rules for Wi-Fi network or physical locations has been added. I do not know what this does yet, so if you do know, please leave it down in the comment section below so we are all aware of what it does. So when the Pixel 4 launched, usually to get more options from an app without actually going into the app, we would have to long press the app there, and then you'll be presented with more options. But now that has been changed. It can now identify a firm press, so it's basically like 3D touch. You just firmly press on the app and boom. Like I mentioned, it's like Apple's 3D touch, but without the 3D touch technology that Apple implemented into their smartphones. And the best feature, I think, is the new power button wallet menu for quick access to your Google Pay payment methods. Now you can add boarding passes, tickets to events, etc. But this just makes it very, very convenient and fast to easily access your Google Pay wallet and pull out and pay for something on the fly. And last but not least, the Pixel 4 screens, when set to adaptive brightness, will get brighter now in strong direct light. So one of the major complaints was that the screen did not get bright enough when outside in direct sunlight. They changed that. They added a feature that your screen will get even brighter now, making it more visible in direct sunlight. Thanks for watching, guys. Those were the newly added Pixel 4 feature updates for March. Now there was, of course, way more updates than that went across all Pixel devices, not just the 4, but these were what's new to the Pixel 4. If you like what you saw, please leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.